Kind of close. Gregory Givler, Advanced Visual Frameworks. This is week 3 project. I am going to load it on my iPad first and show everything is working, and then in the second half of this video it will be my Android build, and then I'll be able to show that it is actually saving to the Arrow database. So let's launch this. This wasn't easy. It's really giving me a run for my time. So there's the app. We'll launch it. Brings up the first page. Hit OK. This is the astronomy picture of the day. And there's the current day. I was unable to figure out a way to show the current date in this particular format because it had to, this format right here, it had to match the API directly. So I'd have to manually go in there. As far as I know right now, I'd have to manually go in there and change the date. But this is for today, January 24th, 2016. Star cluster, a little description on the bottom. And if we go back out, I have sounds from NASA. I had some trouble setting this one up too. It's all populated and everything, but for some reason I wasn't able to get each sound to play on each row. Hopefully I can get that fixed tomorrow. I know points might be deducted because it's late, but we just press. It's playing this bottom one. We're going to dust it off first. So you just click on one and it'll play it.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. So I have to take it up for hangar, Joe? We're going to dust it off first.
So yeah, that it all works correctly. I was just unable to get it through there. So the second half of the video will show my Android build. So here is the second part of the video for my Android build. And I'll load it up for you right here. Okay, make sure it's closed already. And oh yeah, here is the Arrow database. I'm signed in. Week 3 project. Week 3 project. Registered. Go in here. And we will go to manage data. As you can see, I've already ran it quite a few times. But we'll go back over here. We'll run it, and as you can see, this is from the previous, my iPad run just now. I still have the consoles in there to let me know that it was successful in saving all of the data. So let's launch this. I don't know, it took a few times to get it going last time. For some reason it didn't like the cloud, but now it seems to be working fine. We'll start it up, and as you can see in the background, save. So we have the same setup here. Kind of ran out of time. I know the UI is pretty basic, but still the same things are shown. It is a smaller resolution on the screen, so I had to kind of finagle it in there. And we still have the sounds right here, but once again I couldn't get each of them. There's 25 different sounds. I know it's passing the data, but I was unable to actually get each one to play correctly, so it's still just playing this bottom one. So if I click that, I don't know if you hear that, but it is playing.
We're going to dust it off first.
So yeah, that's both my builds, and there will be changes next week to make sure everything's run correctly after the UI test, and I get some feedback and help from the instructor. So thank you very much.